Hi, this is Pavitra Kumar, founder of NPPD and BizVidya. So today's topic is an interesting topic and it is related to my life, which is I will share with you my experience of this entrepreneurship journey in this 1 year of time. So I started somewhere around last year in summer, in the starting phase, and I left my full-time job in around June. Okay, so it has been 6 months I have been doing it full-time, and it has been 1 year I am working on this NPPD and BizVidya both. So I'll tell you about what is my journey in this period and how did I start and what all things I have achieved and what are my plans, my vision. Okay, so I have noted down few points. I will tell you point by point what are the things. Okay, so first let me tell you about my background. So my background is I did BTech in electrical engineering. After that I was preparing for 1 year for GATE, and then I was doing MTech. I did MTech in material science, and then I was working as a research scholar for 2 years. It was in IAC and CSIR NAL. I was working on mostly aerospace materials. I was working on piezoelectric materials, sensors, actuators, all those stuff. And then I moved to IT domain, where I was working as a data analyst for around 3 to 3.5 years. I worked in around 2 to 3 startups, and I did a lot of freelancing also. Okay, so it is a very mixed combination of lot of things, interdisciplinary domains, which also grabbed a lot of knowledge, and it is very much useful to have a bigger picture. Okay, I cannot tell that the technical knowledge is helpful in my business, but yeah, I got a very big picture what the world is going on, what are the type of different industries and all those stuff, and it is very helpful for me to have this mindset. Okay, so let me tell you that why I started this journey of entrepreneurship when I had already I was working on a job with 12 LPA package, and it was difficult, I know, but I had this vision. So let me tell you how this vision started. Okay, so I can tell that being from a very under average, what I can say is a middle class family, low class middle class family, there has been always some kind of issues with money starting from my childhood. Okay, so suppose आपको 10 रुपया चाहिए to be fulfilled with all your needs. It was not like we had no money, we had money like 7 rupees, 8 rupees, ऐसा करके होता था. So it was little bit hectic during the childhood. Okay, and that was a great learning from me also. उस time तो बहुत ही मतलब it was very hectic that time, and there were so many things which was going on in my mind, but that situation, those situations, those kind of feeling which I got, that made me to believe that I can do it and I have to do it. Okay, that background has a lot of role. Other than that, there are also many things which happened in the childhood and in teenage, plus in job, the talking with the managers, controversies between people, friends, and all those stuff. This got piled up, and then I had this vision कि नहीं, मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है. Okay, so till now I have not achieved anything. Let me tell you, it's on a very fresh stage which I am running my business. But yes, I have this vision, बहुत बड़ा करना है. Okay, so this is the mindset which made me start this venture. So let me tell you that what are the risk I have taken. Okay, तो risk तो पहला risk है कि I left the job. Okay, so जो salary आता था that got zero, and I struggled for few months, around 6 months, how to get this thing and get this up and running, how to get the sales, marketing, all those stuff. तो ये धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. This is on the process, but yeah, this is the biggest risk which I have taken. Other than that, parents, आपको पता है Indian parents क्या बोलते हैं, तो I do not need to elaborate about it. But yeah, वो चीज़ में I have taken risk. Then many of my friends also were not supporting, but अभी like as I am building a social media thing, so they are like हाँ ठीक है, तू जो कर रहा है वो सही कर रहा है, करते चल. So these are some of the risk I have taken, and but I feel proud about it because I am very much enthusiastic and very much interested to work on this journey and hoping for seeing lot of things ahead. तो ये हो गया मेरा जो रिस्क फैक्टर्स. देन लेट मी टेल अबाउट द फेलियर्स विच आई गॉट. सो देर आर एक्चुअली लॉट ऑफ फेलियर्स विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. सबको होता है फेलियर्स, तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील फॉर मी एंड माई लाइफ. बट there was a time when I was very much devastated, very much depressed when I was used to fail. But वो जो mindset था वो धीरे धीरे करके change होने लगा. And after I did my job, after I read a lot of books, after I met people who were kind of mentors for me, they gave me positive energy, and there is a lot of things which happened due to which my mindset was able to change, and I could see failures right now as one of the hurdles, one of the step which I need to recover and go for the next step. So right now I do not see failure as a failure, I see it as a learning. Okay, that mindset, to get that mindset, it took so many years. Okay, so if you are also on this journey of entrepreneurship or anything in your life, you should always remember that failure is not the end. Okay, it's just the beginning. And whenever you are getting a lot of problems, think in this way, that you are getting refined, you are getting you are getting so much of change, you are trying to build your personality. So a lot of problems, good for you, not bad for you, till you reach that threshold. ठीक है, अगर threshold पार हो जाता है तो you will be going mad, but you should always understand that whenever you are getting problems, that is a positive thing in your life. You should also always take it in a positive manner, positive. Okay, so these are the things, in a very short way I mentioned that how the journey is going. The journey is going good. The journey is actually depends on you, how you see it. Okay, आपके लिए पैसा प्रायोरिटी है या फिर आपके लिए the journey प्रायोरिटी है, or your learning is priority, or you have the mindset and you are changing as a person, as a personal development thing, that is your priority. It depends everything how you see this business, or how you see this entrepreneurship journey, or how you see your life. तो इसके बारे में आई कैन टेल यू फ्यू पीपल ऑन द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, आई फोकस ऑन दैट. सो अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो या फिर यू आर अ बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इट, यू आर रनिंग ऑन अ फ्यू years, so let me tell you few things. This is mostly for people who are just starting out or planning to start out. So it is not an easy road. Okay, so I usually am working like around 16 hours per day, because that is how it runs. Okay, because starting में बहुत hurdles आएंगी, you have to cope through it, you have to not give up, you have to have that patience, you have to handle that negativity from people, you have to handle that negativity from your team. So ये सारे चीज़, it's not easy, it's very hard, but all depends on how passionate you are, what is your vision, and what you are seeing your future. When I'm working now, I'm not saying that what I'm doing now, I'm saying about what I can do with my company 2 years, after 2 years. वो दिखता है मुझे. That is why the drive comes, that is why the fire comes to work relentlessly, and that is what you should have. If you have that passion, then only you should go, because this is not an easy journey. This is not at all an easy journey. There are so many hurdles, and every day you have to learn, every day you have to grow, every day you have to see something new in your business, you have to get some new ideas. So every day it's a very changing thing. Okay, so this is interesting, this is risky, this is interesting, but you should be interested to do this. Okay, so this is what I will tell people who just have started the journey. And if you have any kind of doubts on this, how I started, or if you are interested to know more about my life or my journey, then you can ping me down in the comments below, or contact me through the mail or number. I will be much interested to talk to you about this. Thank you.